Aries, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH, and we will see what's the energy in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. So of course, general reading, pwedeng makarelate, pwedeng hindi. And another reminder, I will not message or follow you to offer services. Beware of fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Okay, Aries, what is the energy? What is the energy in the next 7 days for Aries? Well, actually, astrologically, Saturn-Neptune conjunction in Aries. Let's see. You have Gemini energy. So, this is about learning. So, pwedeng in the next 7 days, meron kang training or meron kang i-research, meron kang interest na gusto mong palawakin pa yung knowledge mo. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo babalik sa pag-aaral. This can be self-study or doing your own research. You will also communicate with your community. So, pwedeng magiging part ka ng group or you will collaborate. You also have energy ng Pisces, which is your instinct, your intuition. This can also mean your creative side, no? So, pwedeng ikaw ay mas magiging creative in the next 7 days. Or part yan ng i-explore mo, yung creative side mo, yung creativity mo. You also have energy ng fire. Oy, keep the fire burning. So, this is about your passion, what you really want in life. So, in the next 7 days, mas magiging passionate ka sa mga bagay na gusto mong ma-achieve, sa mga bagay na gusto mong ma-experience, whether this is through learning or pwede ring friendships, new connections, networking. Ayan. Let's see what else. For the overall energy in the next 7 days, you have the Knight of Wands. So, this is very active energy. Of course, Aries energy to. Fire sign. Sa pagiging impulsive, medyo mag-ingat lang sa mga hindi pinag-iisipan na mga decision mo. Kasi pwedeng magpadalos-dalos ka sa mga actions na gagawin mo. Just make sure that, na-review mo yung mga gagawin mo. Okay? Let's see the challenge here. The Nine of Wands. So, your challenge is, may mga sitwasyon sa buhay mo in the next 7 days na parang feeling mo gusto mo na mag-give up kasi parang napapagod ka na. Parang feeling mo you're not really seeing the results, no, ng iyong pinagpaguran. But actually, no, kumbaga parang tinetest ka ng universe kung gaano ka kalakas, kung gaano ka ka-stable, kung gaano mo kagusto or gaano ka kadeterminado na makuha yung resulta ng gusto mo, ng mga pangarap mo. Now, your opportunity is the Ace of Pentacles. So, this is new beginning. I see you starting a new career, a new relationship. Pwede rin naman tong new business or a new source of income. Let's see your... Pwede kaya siguro yung iba sa inyo may pinag-aaralan, no? Is because you want to start something. Like, nagtitraining ka kasi bago ka sa trabaho or may inaaral ka kasi may magnenegosyo ka or meron kang gustong matutunan na skill na pwede mong gawing source of income. Now, your blessing is the Eight of Swords. Oh, as a blessing, I see this as breaking free from your limitations, no? So, ibig sabihin yan, yung mga dating ino-overthink mo, ay ngayon, finally, ginagawa mo na. Kumbaga, meron tayong tinatawag na paralysis of the analysis. Diba, minsan, the more na tayo ay nag-overthink ng isang bagay, hindi natin siya masimulan kasi lagi tayong may nahahanap na problema na hindi pa naman nag-e-exist. So, your blessing is to break free from that at magtiwala ka sa sarili mo, sa sarili mong kakayanan. Now, your focus in the next 7 days, is productivity, o, diba? Also, your beauty. So, maaring meron kang i-improve sa sarili mo. May mga changes kang gagawin, like may glow up, makeover, no? Meron kang ayusin sa pananamit mo, sa hairstyle mo, mas iguguro mo yung sarili mo ng mas maayos. And also, you are focused on abundance, no? So, working and also kung paano mo mas mapapaunlad ang iyong sarili. Ayan. So, let's see ano pa for Aries in the next 7 days. For Aries, what's coming? What's the energy in the next 7 days? Ooh, makes sense, no? Butterfly, this is transformation, metamorphosis. So, talagang meron ditong parang glow up for some of you, no? So, maaring yun yung focus nyo to improve yourself, to become a better version of yourself. This is also someone na nanggaling sa mga challenges, pero after nun, mas naging malakas, mas naging magaling. Ayan, may pagka-phoenix energy rin to. And butterfly is about transformation, self-care, at pagkakaroon ng tiwala sa iyong sariling kakayanan. Kasi you know yourself better. Oo. You also have peacock. Peacock is about transmutation, awareness, and liberation. So, when you transmute something, like, for example, anything negative, no, itatransmute mo into positive. So, kumbaga, yes, merong mga negative energies around you, but mas pinipili mo na maging optimistic at positibo, no, na hindi ka nagpapaapekto sa mga gulo sa paligid mo. You also have the star. Ang ganda ng star. The star is about your north node, or yung pangarap mo, yung purpose mo. So, this is also divine guidance. So, ano man yung challenges na tatahakin mo in the next 7 days, you will see na dinadala ka sa direksyon na kung saan doon ka mas mapapabuti. Oo, because the star is about divine guidance. You are divinely guided, and you are gearing towards direction na kung saan mas magiging malakas ka, mas magiging productive ka, at mas matutupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Ayan. Self-care. Ano yung self-care message for you? For Aries. Next 7 days. Security. Ang sabi rito, true security comes from having a reserve of time, space, energy, personal power, and love. Make deposits in all these accounts and you'll be a wealthy person indeed. Wow. So, yung security, hindi lang siya about money. Kumbaga, lahat yan, no? Yung oras mo, space mo, energy mo, power mo. So, yun yung i-develop mo to have that security in your life. Let's see what else pa. Change course. Yung iba sa inyo may babaguhin na direction. A closed door is an invitation from life to move in an even better direction. So, I think yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyong divine direction. No? It's time to change course. So, that's part of the transformation or change for you in the next 7 days. So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.